Before you begin, remove the service door. Battery. Wireless WAN module. Solid-state drive. Fan. And system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Open the display panel assembly and rotate it approximately 270 degrees so that the display panel is facing away from the top cover. While supporting the display panel assembly, remove the three 5.5 mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure each display panel hinge to the top cover. Carefully guide the display panel assembly out from under the lip on the top cover and remove. Note: if you are installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install onto the new top cover: touchpad board, speakers, audio board, fingerprint reader board, smart card reader board, NFC board, aux wireless antenna transceiver.